Morning guys, welcome to the daily video number 33 here on the ranch in Costa Rica. We do an organic pasture raised ranch, cattle. So we've got 3 or 4 horses and a donkey and many chickens and pigs too.
It's already here. It's right now.
Summer.
Little summer. Yeah. It's called
Oh, little summer, okay.
the little summer in the middle of the rainy season.
So hopefully the rainy season comes back.
In August or September.
Okay, okay.
Or September.
Hmm.
Yeah, we lost. That's the whole first half of the rainy season is over. We lost it. Yeah. Grab the water.
Yep.
You go out there. There's 2 of them.
Yep.
He's in here. Up there he is.
That one's quick. Alright.
They're super delicate.
Yeah.
They're stuck in there. Four or 5 of them there?
At least 4. 15, 16. What do you have, about 20 chickens maybe, not counting the chicklets? Maybe a little less than 20?
No, he's not a farm.
Wow. So now, just with those chicklets, you've raised your chickens almost
All
25%.
these chickens I've raised. Only ones I bought were these ones.
No, the amount. You've
And
upped
that
them
one, I
20.
bought that one. I bought that rooster. And I bought these red ones. The rest of them are all born here.
Cool.
These ones are born here. All these ones are born
I still don't see that other chicklet.
here. These other chickens are killing.
Yeah. If we didn't show on video, we put them in this little chicken coop over here.
He's an orange one. There's a white dot. White crown. White little crown.
Okay. White little one on the top.
Over here. By the time I walked over, he came back.
Nope, don't see him.
Probably even more. Probably had like 10. Got a bunch yesterday.
Oh, yeah, they're right up there. It's crazy to me how small they are, yet they're so loud. Oh. No.
They create the loudest frequency. Ho, 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 ho! A pig! A pig! Oh,
Close this after me. Put one in here. There you go, buddy.
That one, put it in the middle one.
Okay.
Leaks out into this one and then take it and shove it out.
Okay. He was over here?
Yeah, put him in there.
Awesome. 6 little chicks.
I know we do.
Yep.
Go ahead, pig. Whoa. Oh, pig. Oh, pig. Go ahead. Oh, pig. Ah, he went under. Boggle. He's thirsty.
You may get behind her. Come on, girl.
Wrong, ain't you?
Yeah.
Snagged her by her leg before she went through the gate. I must have taken all the ropes back.
Oh, girl. Oh. 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 Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna change. I need this rope.
All right.
Change rope.
All right. Now we're going out back to one of the back sides of the pastures and finishing up that fence row that I was doing yesterday. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, you can go watch that, see what I started on. But Corey's gonna go out to mow in the pasture. All right, just got back to one of these fence rows and gotta dig this hole, plant these posts. I probably got at least 3 or 4 more down along that side. The gate's way over here, and we'll be planting a big post for one of the sides of the gates. Found this nice spot for my camelback. Hang it there and drink from here. Oh yeah. All right. Yep.
We were stepping this one.
Oh.
There's some going in there, some going in there. Look at all those little hairs.
Yeah.
You need it to get tall and seed. When it seeds, it'll. We should water it probably. Right?
Yeah.
When they get tall, it's good. Yesterday, a couple days ago, Wednesday, there was one there. There's one there, one there. There's a bunch, but look over there. See all
Oh yeah, a bunch.
Look at this. That rain washed all the seeds right into this spot.
Oh wow.
Some there, some right there, some right there.
All Mombasa grass.
But it's not raining, so it's just done. But it's growing inside this mush here a little bit.
Yeah.
And there, all the way back into here.
Yeah.
Up here. That's how powerful that last is. All right there. Corner.
So this wasn't as much of a waste as I thought it was.
It is gonna be. It's not gonna live much longer. You use water.
Yeah.
Little hairs. In here, you can, there's probably some growing in here. Yeah.
This used to be a tilapia pond. When was the last time they had tilapia in there? Many years ago. Alright, well this is day 2. Watering my watermelons. I planted them yesterday. Looking. I don't see any signs of them here. I haven't looked out more towards the back yet, but it has not been raining. Super dry. Yeah, the weather people said it was supposed to be really windy today, and it's hardly any wind, but just heat. Super hot. We got all those posts planted out back in one of the pastures that we wanted, and now we just got to finish tacking the barbed wire onto them.